What's going on, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple but very powerful tricks you can apply to your own YouTube channel to make it grow a lot faster in 2019. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Human for those of you that are new here. If you don't know about me, I have a YouTube channel with over 5.5 million subscribers, and this channel here is actually another channel I'm active on, and I'm only here to teach you how to do YouTube successfully and like a veteran YouTuber. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 simple but powerful tricks and tips you can apply to your own YouTube channel and make it grow much faster in 2019. These tricks are things I've learned on my own over my past 5 years of doing YouTube, whether it's from my mistakes that I've made or the right things that I've learned and kept on doing for my own channel to grow it to up to 5.5 million subscribers. And if you haven't seen my videos, my biggest video as of right now, I believe, has over 100 million views. So when it comes to YouTube, I know a thing or two and I know what I'm doing. Trick number 1 is to be consistent. Now, what does that mean, be consistent? Well, what's your favorite TV show? Is it The Walking Dead, Game of Thrones, whatever TV show it is, right? Imagine if this TV show you really like posted an episode one time on a Sunday evening at 5 p.m., then next week posted a new episode on a Tuesday at 2 p.m., then the week after that on a Friday at 3 a.m., and a week after it just didn't post a video at all, a new episode at all. Would that TV show still be your favorite TV show? No, because it's not reliable. You, as somebody who wants to watch a TV show, you're gonna look for a TV show that you know will have a really good, awesome, entertaining episode every single week at the exact time. That way, when you come from school, when you come home from work, you know at 8 p.m. on the Sunday or on Saturday, your favorite TV show will be there with a brand new, awesome episode. So the same thing applies to YouTube. If you want to be a vlogger, if you want to be a gaming channel, a prank channel like me, well, guess what? There's people out there that are looking for vloggers, gaming channels to watch. And if you're a channel that posts a video on random times and then doesn't post a video for a month and a half or doesn't post a video for a week and a half, then you're not reliable. And people aren't going to rely on you for their source of content. And that could be vlogs, gaming, whatever. So pick a reliable upload schedule and let your audience know about it every single video. Even put it in your little channel banner so they don't forget. That way, for those fans that you build little by little on every video, they know every Wednesday at 4 p.m. you'll have a new video up. Now, how many times a week should you post? What's the best number? That's a whole separate video I'll make. So subscribe to my channel and I'll make a video on how many times a week should you post a video and what time of the day is the best time to post a new video. I'll show you how to find that on your channel. Tip number 2 is that YouTube and being a successful YouTuber isn't always about what kind of videos you want to make. You want to pay attention to what the YouTube audience is wanting to see. Now, that gets a little complicated. What do I mean by that? Let me use my own channel as an example. I have a prank channel with over 5 million people that are subscribed to it. Now, I personally have a million new prank video ideas written down in my laptop. I have so many ideas. Yet, if you look at my channel, you'll see that my past 10 videos are either a Uber driver prank, my shampoo prank, or a gold digger prank. And some people think, wow, Human, do you not have any other ideas? Well, it's not about what I want to make. I'll make the video once, I'll edit it, then I'll put it on my channel, and I'll personally probably not watch it again for a long time. But potentially millions of people can come to that video and watch it. So when it comes to making a new video, is it more about me or about millions of people and whether or not they will like the video or not? So based on my previous videos I've done, if a video gets a lot of engagement, views, then I'll do more of that video. Or if another prank channel out there does a specific video idea and the prank community really likes that and they comment on my channel saying, "Oh man, do a Halloween prank," then guess what? Even though I want to make another video next, I will do a Halloween prank because the YouTube viewers, my subscribers, want to see those videos. Now, I know you might ask, okay, Human, how do I know what the YouTube community audience and my subscribers want to see if I'm a vlogger, if I'm a gaming channel? The best way is to go put out there 10 or so videos and see which ones get the most engagement. And allow your fans, your viewers to tell you what videos they want to see. So you can ask them a question in the video. Hey guys, thanks for watching my videos. Let me know in the comments below what you want me to post a video on next. Should it be an adventure vlog? Should I do a challenge video? Let them decide. That way, not only you know they're gonna watch the video because you're literally asking them what they want to see, but they'll also show you appreciation by liking the video, sharing the video, and commenting on it too. Tip number 3 is quality is more important than quantity. Now, I've had so many students in the past in my YouTube mentorship program that always thought if they just posted a new video every day to their channel, as long as they were posting a video every day, they were eventually going to grow. But what was happening was that because they were posting videos often, whether it's every day or every 2 days, they didn't have enough time to put as much effort, creativity, and energy into the individual videos. So what was happening was they were just spamming their channel with a bunch of random videos that they had recorded in an hour, then spent 5 minutes basic editing the video, and people didn't like it, right? There's nothing YouTube viewers hate more than a basic spammy video that doesn't even have decent music or wasn't even edited properly if the audio is messed up. So when I say quality over quantity, I'm saying put a lot of effort into your videos, and it's okay to post little videos with really high quality and a ton of videos fast with low quality. Now, I'm also going to use my own channel as an example. If you go on my channel right now, you'll see that sometimes I don't post a video for a month and a half. But then when I come back and I post a new video, guess what? Out of my 5 million subscribers, over half of them come within the first week and watch the video. Why? Because they know, you know what? Human might not post a video for a week and a half, a month, but when he does, his next video will be really high quality. I've never posted a video to my channel that I wasn't fully happy, satisfied, and confident that I put all my creativity, all my energy into it. Sometimes it takes me 3 days, 4 days to film a video, and on average, I'll spend 12 hours editing that video myself. You know, I'll make sure that the colors are all good, the audio is good. I'll spend hours finding the best music. I'll make sure everything is super smooth, right? Because you want to treat your channel like a TV show, right? If a channel is just posting back-to-back horrible videos, no one wants to see that. But if you're posting really high quality videos, even if it's once a week, once every 2 weeks, YouTube viewers will appreciate that. They'll like it, share it, comment it, and even subscribe to your channel. Tip number 4 is learn the science of SEO. Now, some of you are like, oh man, what did you just say? What's SEO? Well, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. YouTube has a search engine. When you search for funny videos, the YouTube algorithm is using its search engine to recommend to you what videos to watch when you search for funny videos. When you search for vlogs and like 10 vlog videos show up for you to pick from, that's the YouTube algorithm, the YouTube search engine recommending to you videos to watch based on a lot of data. Now, how can you use SEO on your videos to make them rank higher? Because that's the goal. If you're putting so much work into a video, it's awesome, entertaining, high quality, and then you put it on YouTube, well, guess what? If your SEO isn't good, that video will go on the 50th page of search results. As in, let's say you're a vlog channel and you post a video called Adventure Vlog in Hawaii, and if your SEO is not good, well, guess what? When I search for vlogs, if I'm a YouTube viewer and I search for vlogs, your video is not going to show up. YouTube will not recommend your video to viewers. Now, how can you use SEO? Well, SEO is divided into multiple categories. Your video title has SEO power. The tags in your tag box have a lot of SEO power. And what people didn't know is that even your description box counts towards that video's SEO. Even the comment section and what people comment in there will get counted towards SEO. And even the subtitles in your video get read by the YouTube algorithm. So even the words that get said in the video, the algorithm is able to hear those. It's crazy. The YouTube algorithm is very, very, very smart. So in an ideal situation, let's say if you go to my videos on my channel, you'll see that my title of the video is very well made. It's very short with high-ranking keywords in there. If you look at my tags in my tag box, there's very high-ranking tags in there that each have very little competition. If you look at my description box, it's packed with sentences with me recommending other playlists. YouTube SEO is a whole science of its own, and it took me 5 years to fully figure it out. If you guys want me to make a video just explaining how to title your videos, how to find the best tags, how to fill your video description, I'll make a whole video about it later. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that video. Tip number 5 is build a family, not fans. Guys, YouTube has no more room for YouTuber celebrities, right? YouTube viewers don't like another YouTuber who comes on YouTube, posts a video, then just disappears until next week, right? There's already too many celebrities on YouTube. If you're a new channel and you want to take over the vlog game and be a better vlogger and be a more popular vlogger than Jake Paul and Logan Paul, you gotta put in hard work. And so what you want to do is you want to build a family, an army, a community around your channel. No matter who you are, even if you post a brand new video to a channel with 0 subscribers, after a few days of 40, 50 people watching that video that gets sent to that video by the YouTube algorithm, well, you might get 1 or 2 comments, right? And most people won't even see that comment. Most YouTubers won't even bother to read their comments. But what I did for the first 3 months was I didn't allow a single comment to get posted on my channel without me responding. And when I responded, I didn't say things like, LOL, thanks. If someone said, great video, Who Man, loved it, I would say things like, oh, thanks. What video should I do next? And what happened there was when someone commented something and I said, thanks, glad you liked it. What should I do next time? They would comment again. So now my engagement was going up. Not only new viewers and that person commenting were seeing that, wow, this new YouTuber is so friendly, so cool, he's responding to my comments? No, wait, let me talk back to him. Not only more people were now likely to comment because they were seeing me respond to other people, but it was also boosting my engagement off the roof. So like I said, don't just respond saying LOL thanks or haha. Engage into a conversation. Ask them questions. Ask them for their opinion. Allow them to engage in your channel and help you decide on what kind of videos to do next. Ask them for their Instagram. Ask them about what kind of videos they watched. Like I remember one time, and this is not a joke, when I first started YouTube and I was getting like 1,000 views per video after a few months, I would get like 200-300 comments. One time, this one kid, I think his name was Kieran or Kyle, he posted a random comment. I responded saying thanks, asked him a question. I think me and him talked back and forth so much that his comment and my responses added up to 300 comments. So I posted he posted basically 150 comments, responses to me, and I posted back 150 as well. So total it was a little over 300. And guys, that's not just some random number, that's engagement. The YouTube algorithm will see, wow, this new video has over 500 comments or 200 comments. Every one of those comments is engagement. You always see YouTubers begging for likes. Guys, if you like this video, press like. But rarely they know the importance of comments. And even if they ask for, if you like this video, write a comment, they won't respond. So they might get 100 comments, but that 100 could be 200, could be 300, and that's all engagement. All right, YouTuber, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you can apply these 5 tricks to yourself and your channel to become a better and more successful YouTuber this year. Give this video a thumbs up and engage with me in the comments below. Ask me a question about this video if you didn't understand something or you want me to talk about it more. If you have any ideas for my next videos, what topics should I go in depth in? How to make viral videos, come up with viral video ideas, let me know down below. Subscribe to this channel because I have so many more and crazier videos coming. Turn on the notifications and click right here to watch more videos from me about YouTube growth, tricks, strategies, and click right here as a shortcut to subscribe to my channel. And those of you out there that are looking for mentorship, if you want to join my private student group and work directly with me, click here. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.